YouTubers. Today we're gonna open 2 new products by Moose Toys, or should I say just play. Well, the last one I got 2 of them, but I only got 1 because you guys do have 2, but they only have 1 more left now. It's because I don't have it because of this, the Doorables house. So what's about this review is about this Doorables. I'm going to start with this Doorables house, so let's open this baby up. And after this, we're going to check the collectible. So it'll only take a whole thing for me to do. I'm really excited to open this thing up because I want to let you know my brother worked a whole day of his streaming, but he started this day by getting me a new logo, and that is what he did. He gave me the logo on YouTube. So that's the reason why you heard the sound in music for my channel. It's because it's a new logo, and I'm really excited for my brother to put it to my next video. I'm still opening this, so I'm gonna keep talking about Phineas and Ferb now. Well, about that movie, it's coming soon to Disney Plus. It's the beginning of the revival of Phineas and Ferb, is what I'm thinking. So yeah, I'm very excited for the movie because of its cool about its theme. And you know, I have to do it, and yeah, there is some changes to my channel, so yeah. So that's the reason it got a little update, just because of the song, just because of the music and opening theme. Don't hear the sound, just if you want, you can hear the box instead. God, dang it. Sorry about that. It got a big mess over here. Sorry about my stomach, I was only finding the stuff. We could start by Minnie Mouse. It comes with 2 accessories, this chair and this plant. I don't know why they put the plant, but we could see the house now. This is the house. So you can put it down if you like. I could put the character in. It's only... What character are we gonna get? I don't know, but we'll have to find out. This is the checklist. If you check my other video, you can check that out. Cinderella, Finding Nemo, Aladdin, Toy Story, Lilo and Stitch, Beauty and the Beast, Mickey Mouse, which I got from Minnie Gardner, Little Mermaid, Tangled, Lion King, Frozen, and that's it. So check that out. I'm gonna put Minnie Mouse back, and now I'm gonna open this mystery one and see what we're gonna get. I think it has to be Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna squeal. So yeah, if we get one, I'm gonna squeal very bad, very good. So yeah, or I'm gonna do that. Oh my god. Okay, just hope we get one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It is his best friend, Daisy. We got Daisy. We got Luca Tubers. I like Daisy so much of her goodness and stuff. I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna put her in that bag, and accessories. Sorry about my bag, little goobers. I am concentrating on my stuff right now. Really quick. I'm just gonna trying to find a way to okay, this is the tower. We got a new member. Or the new part of the tower. And it's Minnie Mouse. So this is a cool thing to put in my review. So yeah, we had to, now it's time for me to open the blind bag, blind box. So yeah, we had to open that baby up and see who we get inside. And I know, and I think we had to get 3 of the characters, like with the blind bag. I knew it. We got a special edition, and it is my It is my character I want to get as my thing. We got. Well, I want to let you know, Cinderella's are special editions, and I got one. There's Cinderella. She looks very cool looking with her blonde hair. Cool. Next up we have is Nemo from Pixar. Nemo from Finding Nemo. He's very extra cool looking, even with his eyes. Let's open his baby up. I'm gonna be opening it. So, okay, there's Nemo. And we only get one more character to the bunch. And it's the blind bag. We just need to find a way to get it out. And this is how we get it out. And I already got him out. So, hooray for me. Hope it's a character. I felt that it has to be a duplicate. And it is. It is a duplicate from one of my videos, my first one, Cogsworth. Hope you subscribe, notification button, and comments. Bye.